Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. And today we are going to go out and feed the garden these kitchen scraps. So come on, let's go. Alright, you guys. So my hibiscus is not looking too good. So I'm going to give it some onion. Hopefully this will help. Then we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon. And we're going to sprinkle some cloves. As of lately, yeah. Why? Okay, so my banana plant got fed, I think about a week ago. So at the end of this week, we're gonna feed him again. Feed her again. I don't know. And the plant again. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna dig a hole and we're gonna put some scraps in the hole. And hopefully I can get some peach. It is peach season, right? It's peach weather.
Yeah.
She's gonna get a banana, some carrots, some squash and zucchini, some eggshells, a little bit
Carrots.
celery, and carrots. Alright, so we got the goods in there. And we're just gonna seal her up. She's gonna eat good until maybe another 2 weeks. I think every 2 weeks should be good. Right?
I think so.
What, a couple days ago. I forget what that was next to it. What that smell like?
I can't smell it.
Got a root. So what you want to do is go around that root. Oh shit. Alright y'all, look at the collard greens. They're looking real happy. Real happy. And then look at my arugula. I don't know why I like saying that. Arugula. You want to try some, Zay?
Sure.
You finna feed the Russell bird?
What food you guys use though? What food do you guys have to really use? Didn't we use all the on the last one though?
No, bro.
Where's the rest of the food then? But that arugula was spicy. Like,
You got it?
ooh. I don't like these. Well, I like these, but I also don't like them.
Why?
They're very scary, but very cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, there's a bee.
Yeah, but he know I ain't bothering him. Right?
The bee is cute. Oh,
Alright, you guys. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut off this suckers. And that way the plant can concentrate on hibernating. Smell good though. Oh, you strong. And then what I could do is I'm gonna try to clone these. You know what I need. That wasn't so bad. I was like, take them, take them. Alright guys, so I'm trying to get rid of this gopher. And what I did was I spot tested it and I put some coffee grinds over here, right? And you don't see like he's over here like that on this side. So I'm gonna see if this works. I done brewed up some coffee, put it in my sprayer, and we're gonna try to hit all these tunnels so he can get on out of here. All right, guys, I gotta make another I gotta make another brew of coffee, but the sun is starting to go down, and I'm gonna save that for another day. But what we're gonna do is we are gonna go ahead and clean this out, right?
Ew!
what?
Oh, you're watching it, Mommy.
I'll feed it to the collard greens.
Hey, look. Hey, look.
So we are liquid feeding the collard greens. We're gonna liquid feed the basil too. Alright, you can pause it. Why did Dad keep saying that? Okay. Alright guys, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to close off this border right here so I can have the outline of how I want the garden to be. And we're gonna use the tree stumps that have been recently cut.
Alright.
Alright y'all, so I have completed this end of the border. And I think that's it. It's a little cold to water the grass, but they should be good. I'm out of breath. But I don't know if these logs are going to be temporary or if they're going to be permanent. I'm not sure yet. But this is helping me with the layout of my garden. So if I do want to change anything, this would be the layout I will follow, right? So we sprayed for the gopher. We fed the plants. What else we did? We trimmed down the citrus tree, right?
That's citrus.
Yeah. So it's citrus. And that's it. That's all we did. I feel like we did a whole lot.
So,
But I don't want to take up too much of your time anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoyingasdidi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.
okay, pause.
Alright, we done. Thank you.
My brain is focusing so much eyesight on the camera, like everything.
You gotta keep that square.